and before we get into, because I'll be sharing really interesting stuff with you when it comes to photorealistic videos, lifelike human kind of videos, but I'll be sharing with you some hacks, some tricks, some prompt guides, and some case studies that will help you create fantasy, mysterious characters. You're gonna love it, right? Okay, before we talk about that, I just wanted to show you some of the results from community members who are actually using VideoExpress and posting videos and utilizing and basically implementing the strategies that we have shared in the previous training. And here is a glimpse of what they're getting. Alright, so Jax the animator says, this is my second video that I made using VideoExpress, and so far my first video I uploaded the other day has reached 4.4 thousand views in just 2 days. And this video in just 13 hours, you can see it's already crossed 1.5 thousand views already. And he says something, he says, I'm just amazed because I've been uploading videos since last year and it took 1 year just to get 2,000 views. Alright, great stuff. And I just wanted to motivate you guys, and I just wanted to, again, a big round of applause for Jax. And I want, sorry if I'm pronouncing your name incorrectly, but yeah, a big round of applause for everyone who are implementing and seeing results. It really lifts us up, it really motivates everyone. And I just want to show you his channel, right? So check this out. He posted the video, and let's see. So create video.
One day, a mom asked her son to try spending the whole day with.
Okay, nice. We go to the channel. Look at the channel, 1,000 views, 2.6 thousand, pretty consistent. Keep it going, Jax, keep it going. You're getting the momentum there, and in no time you will get to that 10,000 a consistent range, and everything from there is just going to be crazy. So great stuff, good job. By the way, guys, we are doing a get-together group video call with all the community members, all the members who are using VideoExpress and getting crazy results like this, and we are bringing them on. So if you want to join that, and if you are comfortable, and if you want to join, get into that group call and see us one-on-one, we talking with Paul and everyone, and other members talking one-to-one live, ask your questions, share your feedback, share your criticism, anything, whatever you want. Well, I'll show you the link here. Just drop it, join the group, and then basically the invitation to that group, we'll close that shortly, because we are planning to do it at 12 noon EST on 13th of August. So yeah, just in case if you wanted to, and we keep doing that. So yeah, but if you want to join in the next one that we are coming up with, please do join. I'm showing the link. Just type this link right over. This is the shortened URL. Get in the group. All the details will be sharing before that. Basically a link to get you in, and then to kind of so that, and all you need is just a good camera and then internet, so that you can join in, and I'll see you there as well. So just wanted to talk to you about that. Alright, let's see. Alright, cool. So Billy, big round of applause for Billy, guys. I started a brand new YouTube channel, uploaded my full shot that I created using VideoExpress. Crazy. Let's look at, and I just love how you guys are communicating, supporting each other. Love that, guys. Alright, excuse me. So alright, Billy, so yeah, let's see. So you got 141 too, and one of your videos got 1,000 views, 593. Honestly speaking, like, you created a video on just on August 2nd, like few days ago. You're getting an absolutely crazy momentum on your first video itself. Keep it going. I would say that keep it going. There are 1, 2, 3. So you're following that 2, 3 videos a day, or 1 to 2 videos a day momentum. Just keep it going no matter time. Just 30 days, stick to that, and you will see. And make sure you follow the Paul's Mistral workflow, where he talked about how you can sneak in and reverse engineer, and you can get success from other people's videos as well that have gained so many views, and we have shared so many case studies as well. So I want to show you that as well. Alright, cool. We'll show you. Awesome. So, Mark. Alright, Mark, my first talking photo with video, photo with video. Let's see. So, alright, let's see.
First, make your bed every morning.
Neat. Alright, let's see. So you started getting views. Your first video got 5, 7, then 13, then 15, then 16. What I would say where is that, Mark? What I would suggest to you that I see that you had implemented the Mistral strategy, okay? But I would recommend you that if you're going to the habits, motivation, spiritual kind of niche, then I have got case studies there in spiritual niches videos that have gained over more than, I don't know, like 20 million, 30 million views in a month or so. So I would reverse engineer that so that you can kind of piggyback on their success kind of stuff. All right, perfect, cool. So that's the thing, and we have these is just the tip of the iceberg, right? So if you are not in the Facebook group, please join in, because you'll get so many ideas, so much help, community support, brainstorming, and all the crazy things, right? So please make sure you join the Facebook group if you are not, if you haven't. So yeah, but a big round of applause for everyone who implemented the strategy, just like Billy, Mark, Jax, and everyone, and are getting results like this. So with that being said, we'll come to the topic of today's training. So today, I want to show you something crazy, right? I want to show you how you can generate realistic, mysterious, fantasy characters just like this. I'm going to give you a prompt, and I'm going to show you how you can create story videos using this format, right? This looks crazy, right? So there's a hack, guys, okay? There's a hack, and I want to tell you about that hack, and I just want you to follow just these 3 simple steps, okay? So basically, we cannot just think on our own, that, okay, I want a character that does this, that, does the blue eyes, in this format and that, right? I mean, it is not easier for all of us to think about that, right? We can think about one character that maybe we have shown in a movie or a game or stuff like that. Then, guys, I thought that, okay, which thing on this world has a lot of fantasy characters, right? Movies, maybe, yes, but games. Then I thought that I went to Mistral, and then I searched for, hey, can you give me all the world famous games with mystical and fantasy characters in them? And it shared me all the names. And now with that being shared, now I know that all these games, Dark Souls, Dragon Age, Legends of Zelda, Final Fantasy, World of Warcraft, right? I know that these are some games that have a lot of fantasy characters. By the way, don't you worry about that, guys. I'll share this workflow with you, and you'll find that in the description box below and the comment section below. So don't you worry about that. But yeah, so basically, if you see that, then what I did, I said, hey, can you please depict all the characters? And I chose one game, let's say Legends of Zelda, right? And I said, like, okay, can you please predict the game? Can you please depict all the characters in this game, right? In this format. And it started doing this, but it started giving me like a facial structure and the hair structure, the beard structure. I don't want that, right? I want it in a prompt format. So I again asked it, hey, no, please explain me each of them in this format. So it did all the characters, right? Now, guys, here's the thing, right? Now, you might say that, is it a copyright issue? Will you get in trouble? Is it fair to do? Is it good or not? Okay, see, think about this, right? So you're not actually, the actual guy or the female in this game looks absolutely different, right? What we're trying to understand from here, guys, just so you get understanding, just so you get pure understanding of this, and what we're trying to get from here is the details, the ornament details, the facial features details, eye details, hair details, body details, right? That is what we're trying to do. We're not trying to actually copy and paste exactly how we got here, what we get from this, right? We can, it's okay, because what we're trying to do, there's no copyright on how someone wears the shirt, or versus what kind of hair color they have, or the features they have, nothing, right? So what it gives you guys is, now I want to show you something really cool, right? You can literally get a YouTube channel, okay, or something like that, to basically use just one character, and you can revolve around different topics that one character. You could like create so this is crazy, right? You could create a channel that talks about anything that is going viral in, let's say, the news, but the anchor is, let's say, a princess, for example, right? So if you were to type in, like, can you create a princess, it would create a normal, I'll show you, okay, 1 second. So this is kind of character, this is exactly kind of video, and I got this character, this is a princess, right? So let's see, right? So instead of this prompt, I just give a normal prompt, princess, okay? I want maybe cute princess, okay? Let's see, right? I just wanted to show you, okay? Generate. By the way, make sure you do the vertical in order to basically upload it on platforms like YouTube, Shorts, Reels, TikTok, and stuff like that. Alright? Cool. Let's see that. Right? So, yeah. It's just like this, or maybe we say close portrait. Let's say close up shot of princess. The image type is human, vertical, generate image, right? Let's say, right? So now we'll get some results. I'm not saying we won't get any results. Check this out. Let's see. Alright, like this, right? So it's okay. Sometimes it does, sometimes it does not. But guys, when you use those prompts, you get results like this. Isn't it cool? Isn't it amazing? Perfect. Ornaments, earrings, crown, facial features, eye features, you know, lips, and it works perfectly with the lip. I'll show you a video, okay? So let's say we want to create a conversation video between a princess and a guy, okay? So check this out. So I'm going to click create a talking video. And princess, I'm just going to Arya. Hi, my name is Arya. My name is Princess. Princess Zelda. Import speech. Create a talking video. Okay. And then I want to create, and then you get these humongous like creatures, like fantasy creatures like this. You can make them speak as well, and you can make any character speak as well, by the way. I'm going to create it like this, right? So I'll say create talking video, and say Davis. Hi, my name is Link, for example, right? Import speech, create talking video, right? So you see what I'm trying to say is this hack literally blew me away, because now you can generate pattern interrupting, literally pattern interrupting, scroll stopping videos that stands out from thousands of videos that are there on the internet. Because imagine this, right? Like, you get a normal guy speaking versus you get this crazy creature, seems like come from a movie. Well, like, ask yourself, won't it like get your attention? And at least you will consider, right? Like, stop and look into it, right? We got some of our videos done, by the way. Let's see, right? Let's see. We got from the princess. Princess, where is my princess?
Hi, my name is Princess Zelda.
Wow, looks neat, isn't it? Alright, and then you can create these conversational videos with these photorealistic characters that just seems like that it came out from a movie, right? I'll show you step by step. I'll show you again, right? We'll recap again. I'll show you again how I did it. Cool? Awesome. We got our character link as well done, so we'll show you that as well. Videos, you'll find it in the My AI videos. We got so many folders. Alright, cool. We got character link. I kind of shortened it by mistake. Okay, I'm just gonna delete it. I'm just gonna put it sap like this. Let's see.
Hi, my name is Link.
Create, good, right? Looks crazy, right?
Link.
Perfect, awesome. Now, again, you can play with the voiceovers, but yeah, what I'm gonna do now, basically, is show you from scratch, right? Show you from the, again, what I did, how I did it, how you can play with it, how you can basically make sure that all your character does not look similar, how you can make sure that the character that come out speaks perfectly, how you can make sure that the characters and the videos that you create are out of this world, and it just gets you a lot of engagement, a lot of followers, a lot of leads, a lot of sales, and you can kind of use them in a way that is never done before. So all right, so we do create with AI. We go to talking photos, we click on create from prompt, we click on vertical, and by the way, this whole workflow, all you have to do, let's say for example, all you have to do if you want, right, let's say I did it, I chose the game Legends of Zelda. You can just come in and say please depict all the characters of let's say in let's say what are the games, World of Warcraft, Witcher series, Dark Souls, Elder Scrolls, stuff like that, right, in this format, and then you copy and paste the format, basically the format that you want, like this format, right? So like one second, like this, like this, and it will basically just depict it like that, right? So we have Gondorf, we got Link, we got Princess of Zelda, you know. So you see what it does? It's sort of flowing blonde hair, the deep blue eyes. So this is perfect, right? Let's see for Midna, right? Let's generate Midna. So go there. Well, okay. Generate image. We come to Mistral again. You got the you know, so all these little characters, it believe me guys, it is so hard even for AI. Like I did it, right? I told it like generate me you know, because what it is doing, right? So I just want you to understand this, right? I asked AI just like this, hey, can you generate me some fantasy characters in this format, right? It did, guys, honestly it did. You know, but the quality, right, like you want that, you know, wow effect, right? Like those people who actually created these characters are thought into that. They know what works in the market, right? So what AI will do, AI will just kind of do it and kind of create it in its own reality. Look at that, right? For me to get this kind of image, it is impossible for AI to give me if I don't give it a reference, right? AI works in a context, right? Like if I would not ask it a like, look at that, right? Doesn't it look good? Like if I see this video right now on my shorts feed telling me something about this, I will 101% watching this video, no questions asked, right? Because it just feels like it comes out of like a Hollywood movie, right? So that is the beauty. And if you go to the Princess of Zelda game, right, for like I played a little bit, but yeah, it's a Nintendo. I think it used to play Nintendo. Anyways, so yeah, so the actual character does not look like this. But what it did, what AI did, is AI learned from the facial features, the eye features, the nose features, the facial colors, the ears, the head equipments and ornaments and stuff like that, and generating you this fantasy character. That's a beauty. And that is the beauty, guys. And you can make it speak anything you want, guys. Perfect, absolutely perfect, right? Beautiful. So let's do create an impa, right? Shake tribe, right? Let's do that. Cool. Awesome. Let's do this. Generate image. Let me just do that. All right. So we're gonna generate image. Let's check this out. Check this out, guys. Check this out. While it is generating, I'm just gonna. I like Wati as well. We're gonna generate Wati, right? You see all these details, magical robes, purple designs, dark hair, piercing red eyes, stuff like that. That is crazy. You got, look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It just feels like whenever I do it, I just feel like it just comes out of a movie. Like imagine you creating videos like this for your channels, for your social media profile, for anything, for any context, it will get you results. Because in itself, it has the ability to grab attention because it's out of the world, right? Like, right? That's why, like, I feel like that's crazy, right? I'll create how I'll show. So this is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let's do this. Generate image. And even the actual characters from the Zelda does not look like this. But again, what we are doing, we're copying and we're teaching AI. We're teaching AI to generate basics. Sorry, we're teaching AI to learn from the facial features and kind of create a similar character style. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't it crazy? Like, wow. I mean, my mind is just blown away with this. Like, let's say Tingle, right? I'll show you. We're just gonna go on and on. I'll show you creating absolutely videos with each of these characters, and then you can create like all the characters speaking together, right? Like all these things, right? These little things where you see wild black hair, yellow eyes, twisted armor, shadowed landscape, right? That is just out, and you can do with every character of each game, right? Look at that. Wow, isn't it good? I can generate again, right? This, it seems like a, I can generate again because this guy, I wanted the guy to look at straight, right? I can generate again if you don't like it, but yeah. Generate image again, generate image. Wow, this one is nice. This one is nice, guys. This one is nice. This one is good, right? Perfect, right? Wow, it's, I like, you know, I remember watching videos, you know, movies like this were Smurfs. I don't know if you guys have Smurfed, like, it looks like a green Smurf, right? Like Smurfs were blue. I mean, yeah, it's really, look at that, guys. Look at that, it's a monster. Alright, we don't want to play with monsters here now. Anyways, so, and then you can, and then if you're, let's say for example, I'm gonna generate again. Let's say if you're like, okay, let's say they just, okay, so for example, it has only generated 10 characters, right? Okay, can you please do it for 40 characters in that game? I mean, if it does not have, then it certainly it is going from legend, and then you go 40 characters, guys. Then you can mix it, play, you know, plug and play with. Oh my god, this is crazy stuff. I mean, that's crazy. Anyways, so I just want to show you that, and let's put the light, right. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm gonna do create talking video, and I'm just gonna copy paste everything, right? So for example, I'm just gonna do like your guide as a journey towards personal growth discovery. All right, area import speech. All right, it's importing the speech, create the talking video. All right, so I'm just gonna do that, create talking video. For this I want Nancy, boom, import speech, create talking video. Well, let's see. Create a Ruto. Ruto is the eyes open. She was useful. Okay, I like Ruto. Let's see Ruto. Let's do Ruto. And then for this guy as well, I can do for this guy, for this guy, for this guy, for this guy. Oh, this guy is scary. Alright, cool, awesome. Let's do generate image. Let's do it for Talon as well. Lon Talon is a guy. Alright. Let's do it for Talon as well. Let's see. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't it cool? It's beautiful, right? I mean, out of the world. Look at that. For us to generate images like this, oh my god. I mean, you know, it is not possible. I mean, not possible for AI to come off on its own. It will from basic stuff, but you know, if you want, because why not to understand and kind of copy the facial? Like, look at that, right? Look at that, like perfect facial, beards, teeth, and everything. So look at that bear and jellyfish like face. Wow, okay, I'm interested in something like that. Again, what we're doing is we're teaching AI, giving AI some context of these crazy fantasy characters out there in this world, and we're telling it to kind of depict it. Oh wow, that's crazy, guys. That is crazy scary. My god. I want to create a talking video like this. I mean, you know, I mean, if you're creating like a horror movie or like a horror narration, this will work, guys. This will crush it. I mean, you know, look at that. Wow, scary. Let's see, King Dodongo, right? King Dodongo, you know. Again, so what was I saying? I was saying this. I'm saying what we're doing is we're teaching AI to learn from their facial feature, tell us in the textual format. Whoa, that's a dragon there. You know, tell us in the this format, text format, and then we are asking AI to use the AI imagination to basically generate it in our format, right? So Argus. So let's see, Argus. Awesome, cool. Generate image. Lenmola. Alright, there we got a lot of characters. Alright, so generate image. Who we got? Let's see one more body. Let's do Zora's domain. Body. Okay. Wow, guys, look at that. These are some crazy stuff, guys. Crazy stuff. Look at that. Perfect for those, you know, like videos where you're kind of do narration based videos, and then if you're trying to explain something like some in mysterious format, does the job, guys. Does the job. Wow, that's neat as well. That's neat. It will animate. Like, look at that. Like the quality and the depth of it, right? Like the depth of the eyes and the lips and everything. So absolutely crazy. Let's see. Sorry. Let's see. Show me. Let's look at our videos, right? My AI videos. Let's take our alien here. Let's look at her as well. Let's see. Oh, by the way, guys, one quick thing. You see, even though the videos that we're generating is in the vertical format, but the canvas that we are editing it is not, right? You see, it's in a landscape. So please make sure you turn it into vertical. Okay, cool. It will do the job now.
Your guide as you journey towards personal growth and self-discovery. Your guide as you journey towards personal growth and self-discovery.
Yep. Now, guys, now, here's the thing, right? Now, if you don't like animation at all, for example, right? You don't like how it's saying, you don't like what it's saying, you don't like how it's blinking the eyes, or how it is moving the lips. Well, what I want you to do is I want you to just click on repair and optimize and continue. Alright? Repair and optimize and continue. Repair and optimize and continue. What it will do, guys, it will basically give you the almost perfect head movements in just one shot. Head movements, lips movements, eye movements, to give it the natural feel, right? So that is the thing. I'll show you the outcomes comes. But yeah, here's the thing, guys. So if you are struggling, okay, to get results and to kind of create out of this world videos just like what I showed you, right? Well, I just dropped the hack. The hack is to teach AI from the world's biggest database of fantasy creators. Let's just look at, we got it. Let's look at that. It put some animations there as well.
Your guide as you journey towards personal growth and self-discovery.
Wow, nice. It is doing that head movement and all that. Perfect. Looks neat. Alright, so let's just look at this one as well.
You journey towards personal growth and self-discovery.
Alright, so it's doing like that head movement and the eye movement and stuff like that. Let's look at this one as well. Alright, cool.
My name is Princess Zelda.
Wow, because the voiceover was short, so yeah. But what was it saying? It's saying
Hi, my name is Princess Zelda.
It's doing that, you know, head movements and eye movements, stuff like that. So, coming back to my point, right? If you are struggling to create crazy looking, out of this world, Hollywood style, photorealistic, human-like videos, just like this, I just gave you the hack. And the hack is teaching AI from the world's biggest database of fantasy, mysterious creators, and none other than comes close to them, which are world famous games that has a lot of these characters. And what we do is we ask AI to kind of depict their character in their text with all their depicted features, and then let AI use the imagination to come up on its own based on that depiction. So basically, we don't have to do the hard work, which is already done. So that's the power of AI. I hope you loved it. Again, I'm saying, right, everything, the workflow that we just use in the Mistral will be given to you in the description box below, number one. Number two, well, again, I'm saying this, right? If you want to join in, we're doing a get-together. We'll keep doing this get-together, but this is our first get-together. And what is this get-together group called? Well, just like this, how you're seeing me right now on the screen, you'll be able to join with your own webcam, right? With other members as well, with me and our team. What we'll do, we'll ask questions. What will the topic of the discussion? The topic of the discussion is your criticism, your feedbacks, your experience, your learnings, your failures. And the same thing comes from another member, the same thing comes from other members. So cumulatively, as a community, we learn from each other failures, we learn from each other wins, and we get to know each other, right? It's going to be very interactive, and it's free of cost, okay? But there's a link, there's a way how you can join in, how you can get into the, like, on the stage, right? The stage link, right? How you can just like this, you can come inside the stage, and all you need is a webcam and a good internet. How to do that? What's the link? Well, I'll show you the link again. I'll flash the link again. Join the group, okay? And before we start, we'll drop all the links there, right? We'll send you all the details in there, number one. And just be in the group, guys, because as we keep on doing it, we'll just drop all the details in there, right? Another stage link, let's say next week or upcoming weeks, we'll do it again. So we'll just convey to you the message in that group. It's a Skype group, guys. Free of cost, again, everything, nothing to pay, it's nothing, nothing to sell, anything like that. It's just our thing that we have been kind of wanting to do it from so long. We did it a little bit in the past in 2020, but then we kind of, then everyone just focused on their own, and now because everyone's united again, everyone is now started seeing results. And then there are a lot more members. By the way, we are growing 50,000 more members. We want to celebrate that as well. So that's the thing. So again, I'm saying this. I'll flash the link. Join the group. We'll let you know. First get together group call. We're doing it on 13th August, 12 noon EST. If for any reason you can't able to join in, for example, inside backstage, okay, you can always watch us talk. You can always watch us discuss on a Facebook group and a YouTube channel. So yeah, I hope you loved it. I hope you loved the concept. I hope you loved this the hack. And if you want more of these kind of golden nuggets, well, please do let me know in the comment section. It motivates me a lot. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself, your family, and your health. Take care.